deep in the ocean in an oil boat. Oh, it's such a great day today. I love the sea, the view. I can't wait to start working. What the heck? No, this can't be happening. This is the worst oil spill I've ever seen. I thought today was going to be a great day. Yeah, in the water. Hey my friend, how's your day going?
Hi, very good. Do you smell that?
No, I don't have a nose.
Guys, I think we're in trouble.
Guys, we have to swim.
Why did everybody go away? Do I smell bad? You must swim now!
Deeper in the ocean. Is everyone okay?
I can move my fin. Help me, please.
Guys, come here. We must help the shark.
How can we help?
We have to rub the fin with our fins.
Come here, guys. Let's help. Thank you, guys. I don't know what would have happened to me if you didn't help me.
Yeah, you're welcome, but you won't need any of us, never, okay?
Fine, but just you guys, because I have to eat something, no?
Fine. Guys, come over here.
What? What is that?
I think it is
Oil! Swim for your lives! What are we going to do?
I know, follow me. Yes, we finally made it to the cave. We should wait here for a while.
I can be here more time. I need to breathe.
Holy moly!
Guys, I'm claustrophobic.
This is the perfect moment for telling this to us. I'm being serious. I need to leave now.
Me too, guys.
Someone needs to go out and see if there's no more oil.
I'll go. I'm the older.
No, I'll go. I can hold for more time the breath, so I will go. Oh, I think it's not more oil here. Wait a second. No!
What happened with you? Oh my god.
Help me!
I made a decision. I'm going to go up there so I talk to a human.
Are you crazy?
Someone should do this, so I will do it. Hi human, I need to talk to you.
Wait a second. Can you talk?
Of course, we are not such that different.
So what do you want to talk about?
Minutes ago happened an oil spill. This is very dangerous to us. We are inoffensive sea creatures and you are killing us with this action. You have to be respectful and stop polluting the sea.
I understand, and I'm very sorry for that.